हाय नमस्ते फ्रेंड, कैसे हैं आप। राजेश हॉलीडेज आज आपके लिए लेकर आया है गुजरात भुज टूर की पूरी वीडियो। ये वीडियो लास्ट तक देखिए, इसे लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। गुजरात भुज वीडियो में हमने बहुत सारे डेस्टिनेशन को कवर किया है। अहमदाबाद, चोटीला, राजकोट, वीरपुर, जूनागढ़, सासनगिर, तुलसी श्याम, भुज, पोरबंदर, धरडो, बोतेर, जिनेलय। तो इसे लास्ट तक देखिए और ऊपर दिए हुए आई बटन में हमने एशियाटिक लायन सासनगिर का भी पूरा वीडियो चैनल दिया है, तो उसे भी आज ही देखिए और इसे भी लाइक कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड में शेयर कीजिए। तो फ्रेंड शुरू करते हैं गुजरात भुज टूर वीडियो। नमस्ते, थैंक यू। Gujarat tour from Ahmedabad to Chotila is a 168 kilometers, 3 hours journey. Here we see the Chotila Mataji temple, total 500 steps. Rajesh groups of 16 to 20 senior citizens come from Mumbai to Ahmedabad Duronto Express. From Ahmedabad to Chotila and onwards journey we do by AC sophisticated luxury coach, and this is our groups taking lunch which is prepared by our Marwadi chef. After finishing the lunch we proceed for Junagadh and we visit Narsimha Mehta temple and relax in our 3-star deluxe hotel. This is Narsimha Mehta temple and Krishna Bhagwan Haveli Darshan, which is darshan done by devotees and Rajesh group. We also visit Junagadh Palace and Jain tourists visited their famous Jain temple also at Girnar Parvat. Next day morning we proceed for Sasangir. On the way we crossing narrow gauge train. The train is running between Junagadh to Ambreli and passing through Sasangir also. See the beautiful small train running on the metal gauge track. Total 5 coaches only. Now we enter to Sasangir Devalya Park. Here we going to see lion safari by Devalya Park container coach.
Hi, now we're going to see the world famous Gir forest. You see the aesthetic line, and now we are moving to the world sanctuary of the land, and this is the jungle safari.
Inside jungle our coach is not allowed, so we go by jungle government safari bus to see the Devalya Park Sasangir.
This is the entrance gate of the land safari. Now we are entered to the portion of the core area. If we are lucky, we can find the lion here.
Junagadh to Sasan total 52 kilometers, 1.5 hour journey to reach Sasangir Devalya Park. We come into Devalya Park very early morning, 6 o'clock, and we taken first safari of 7 o'clock, and we are moving ahead, and we are lucky we find one family of female and male lion which is just sit 1000 meters away from us. In the morning time you can able to see the lion here most of the time. So when you want to come to Sasangir and want to see the safari, always take a morning time schedule, so you are able to see the lion. This is a Rajesh senior citizen, some group member taking the group photo. In the next image, myself Rakesh Kalyani in the center of two gentlemen. After finishing jungle safari, now we move towards the Tulsi Shyam. That is 87 kilometers journey. We going to finish in 3 hours. On the way, we take a lunch at one farmer friend's farmhouse. Now we reach to Tulsi Shyam temple. It is the evening time, 5 o'clock. So after Aarti, we proceed for Somnath. From Tulsi Shyam to Somnath, 100 kilometers journey, we finish in 2.5 hours. Somnath is a very beautiful Hindu religious place, the goddess of Shiva. This is very beautiful and more than 2000 years old temple. Somnath is come on the seashore of Arabian Sea. From Somnath we proceed to Porbandar via Chorwad. Porbandar is famous for our lovely Mahatma Gandhi Bapu birthplace. Here we spend 2-3 hours. After lunch we proceed for Dwarka. On the way we visit Nageshwar Jyotirling, which is a 125 kilometers journey from Porbandar, which take 3 hours. We spend the evening time here and do the darshan and aarti at Nageshwar temple. We do this our trip in the winter time, so at evening time also we feel little bit cool here. And in the Nageshwar temple you can able to go up till Lord Shiva temple statue. Up till leg you able to go. Inside the temple shooting is not allowed.
This is Nageshwar Jyotirling, and inside the photography is not allowed, so we take the outside the scene view. And this is the statue of the Lord Shiva. ये अंदर रखे लोग.
After visiting Nageshwar Jyotirling, now we proceed to visit Rukmani Devi temple at Gopi Talao. रुक्मिणी टेम्पल गोपी तालाब के दर्शन के बाद अब हम द्वारका जाएंगे, जो यहाँ से सिर्फ 16 किलोमीटर की जर्नी पे है, जो हम 15 से 20 मिनट में द्वारका पहुँच जाएंगे.
Hi, now we are in the Dwarka and this is the railway crossing. And this is Rajesh Group sitting in the bus of Dharkir Rao.
This is Saurashtra Mail going from Okha to Mumbai via Junagadh and Rajkot. It takes more than 1.5 hours to reach Okha by morning 9 o'clock and reach next day morning 7 o'clock at Mumbai. Jai Dwarkadish, welcome to the world famous Dwarkadish temple. Inside, photography and shooting not allowed, and more. Next day morning we proceed to Bet Dwarka temple visit by motorboat from Dwarka boat jetty. Is a really good and amazing experience in small motorboat. More than 100 people sit in small motorboat. Little bit risky, but it's okay. No other option here to go to Bet Dwarka. Enjoy the temple of Bet Dwarkadish. After Seva Puja, we come back to main Dwarka by motorboat. This is some images of outside temple of Dwarka, this Bet Dwarka. Here inside photography is allowed because no so much tourist here, and Maharaj is also very cooperative. This is some images of Bet Dwarka. Rajyash groups enjoying motorboat ride to going Dwarka from Bet Dwarka. Next day morning we are going to proceed Bhuj visit, very long journey of 8 hours. Next day morning 5 o'clock we proceed to Sri Raj Chandra Gyan Mandir from Dwarka, which is 240 kilometers away from Dwarka, which is take more than 4 to 5 hours to reach this place. This is amazing place, very peaceful place. Once in a lifetime come to this place and understand philosophy of respected Srimad Rajchandra. After long journey we reach to Bhuj by evening 7 o'clock. Next day morning we proceed to visit famous Hodka, which is 64 kilometers and 1.5 hour journey from Bhuj. See the beautiful sand dunes of Bhuj Hodka. From Hodka we move ahead towards Dhorodo, which is again 20 kilometers, half-hour journey from Hodka, where the white sand dunes, big desert is there.
ચાલો જને જવું હોય. આ સફેદ રણ આવી ગયું. ચાલો ચાલો જલ્દી. અહીંયા 5 મિનિટનો બ્રેક છે. See the beautiful view of the white sand in India, Kutch. Now the Rajyash group is coming down to see the beautiful view. See. Hi, we are in the white sand dunes. See the beautiful view of the white sands. Actually, sand nothing but white salt.
Hodka and Dhorodo both is very famous and excellent place to come for a holiday. I strongly recommend everyone to come to Hodka and Dhorodo in the winter time. In the winter time, Gujarat Tourist Department also keeping tents here with so much different packages, which is ex Bhuj Airport or railway station. For further detail, please visit Gujarat Tourism website. It's really amazing and mind-blowing place. Next day we visit Bhuj Royal Palace, which is a very beautiful and made at time of the British rule. We also visit Swaminarayan Temple, Pavadungar, Bhadreshwar Temple and Bottiar Jinnalai and Mandovi in the Bhuj sightseeing. Bottiar Jinnalai is a very famous holy religious place of Jain religion people. We finish all sightseeing of the Bhuj and we come back to hotel. Our tour end here. Next day morning we proceed to Ahmedabad to board a train for Mumbai. Please subscribe our channel to get regular destination video notification. Thank you.